What's up YouTube, Jerryland here with NOBA Tech, bringing you another What's in My Tech Bag Everyday Carry Edition. I actually just found a brand new bag. I'll be sure to put a link in the description. Go check it out now so you guys can get an awesome discount on it. This bag is something I really like. All the hype beasts right now are all about those side bags, the messenger bags, all those different kinds of bags, and that's what this is. It's not a backpack, but it is one of my new favorite everyday carry bags. And again, about all those hype beasts, I'd know what's up. So I think I found that the reason why I love messenger bags, sling bags, and these kind of backpacks in general is that they're super easy to take on and off. They got a buckle right here. And also, I really like that it's just nice and easy to get to whatever I need. Just sling it over, sling it back, and that's it. They keep them nice and simple. I also like that they're a little bit smaller, which means I gotta really choose wisely on my everyday carry, and it kind of forces me to be a little bit more minimalist. Let's check out what I got. So when you see the pouch first off, it's made out of great material that's a little bit water resistant. It's a little bit ripstop as well, and it's got some sweet buckles on it as well. I've never seen a mechanism like this, but I think it's pretty cool. If I had to compare it to something, I'd kind of compare it to that Peak Design magnetic buckle. So you kind of pull up and out, and then it releases the latch. I think it's a really unique design, and that's a testament to this awesome Kickstarter bag. So when you open it up, you get two pouches right here in the front that actually have some waterproof zippers, which I think is super cool. So inside of here, I keep a few different items. For example, my wallet for easy access, which if you've never seen, this wallet is amazing. I've used this wallet for about 4 years now, and Lou from Unbox Therapy also checked it out. It's from a company called Secrid. I'll throw a link in the description below, just like everything else. But this wallet can hold probably around 6 credit cards and 7 regular cards that don't have the studded numbers on them. So check it out. Doesn't hold any cash, but they also make a cash version, which is pretty cool as well. Coolest mechanism, my favorite wallet, super minimalist, nice and slim. Next up, we have this sweet little LED light that is amazing if you're a vlogger, or even if you're just taking photos on your phone, or even a little camera. It's got a clip on the back, it's an LED light, and it's super powerful. My favorite thing about it though is that it's rechargeable via micro USB. And there's all different modes. You can turn it brighter. It's just a super nice, tiny little light. Company's called Godox, definitely check it out. Now on the other side, I'm not a smoker, but I love Supreme, and I think that lighters, especially stormproof lighters, are just so fun to play with. So inside here, I keep a little Supreme lighter, and that's just cause I'm a little pyro. Now, getting to the main compartment of the bag, I love this as my everyday carry because lately I've been taking around my iPad Pro 10.5 inch. Love this size. It's the perfect in between of the giant 12.9 and the smaller 9.7. And I have this super awesome case on it that just looks like a composition notebook. But my favorite thing about it, it's got a magnetic smart cover, really nice for a kickstand. But the coolest thing is that it has a slot for my Apple Pencil, the Apple Pencil cap, as well as the lightning charger for the Apple Pencil. So it's a super handy case. I really love this one. And then I'm using an Anchor iPad Pro protective screen on it. I'll link all these down below for you guys. Next up, right next to the iPad sleeve, which I just took it out of, that's also felt lined, very soft. It perfectly fits the 10.5 inch iPad, by the way. It would not fit a 12.9, but you can fit the 10.5 and of course the 9.7 or even an iPad mini. But right next to the iPad sleeve is actually a perfect little sleeve for your phone. I've learned that it fits my iPhone X perfectly, or iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. And on my iPhone 10, I'm rocking a Kadabi case, and then I also have a screen protector from Zag that I absolutely love. It's pretty expensive, but it has a lifetime warranty, and I think it's worth it. So, iPhone 10, hopefully we'll do a What's on My iPhone video very soon. Next up in here, an accessory pouch. This is the one from InCase. This is a nice, clear one, so I can see right inside of it. Great zippers, not much else to it. Now, inside of here is where I got all my goodies. Easy ACC or Easy ACC charger. I love this one because it's got a decent amount of charge in it, nice and slim, has a flashlight on it, but it also has a built-in micro USB cable, which makes it nice and handy. Even though I use iPhone, it's nice to have it because a lot of the different things I keep in here, for example, my little tiny Godox light is micro USB charged. So, got this guy. I'll link a few different power banks below that I really like using. You guys can check them out for yourself. Next up, Apple AirPods. These are my earbuds of choice. Super easy to use, pretty decent price, and they sound pretty good as well. I think it's just super handy to have, and I carry these on me whether I have a backpack or not. They just go right in my pocket. Next up, Altoids. You might think this is kind of weird because I actually do keep a case of Altoids mints in my bag. I like the mini ones, they're nice and small. But inside here, just in case my Apple AirPods die, I keep some Lightning earpods in here. They fit perfectly in these, so little life hack. I also usually like to put SD cards in Altoids cases as well. Next up, we have my Supreme B&O speaker. I love this thing. It sounds amazing for how tiny and portable it is. And come on, this hype beast, I gotta keep this on my everyday carry. So B&O speaker, I'll link this below. I don't know if you can get a Supreme one with the link I got below, but at least you can get the same exact speaker that sounds fantastic. And what's awesome, this is USB-C. The last thing in this accessory pouch is another accessory pouch. Now this is where I keep all my different dongles, all my different cables. It's all in here. It's all nice and neat and organized. I'm gonna go through them, but go through them real quick. So I have this cable from Chiffon. This is my favorite cable. It carries all different ones. So you've got full USB, you have 2 micro USBs, you have a Lightning, you have a mini USB, and you even have USB-C. This is my favorite cable. I highly recommend this one. Next up, we have a USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. We have a Apple adapter for HDMI, USB-C, and USB-A. Got this one. I actually really like it. This was my first USB-C dongle ever. Very expensive, but worth it. Now I have a Lightning to USB-C cable in here as well. And then I have a regular hard drive cable. Gotta keep that on me. I have this adapter, which I'm sure you all recognize. A bunch of different companies make these. This one has USB-C, Thunderbolt, micro SD card slot, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. This is a very handy little dongle. Also in here, we have my favorite SD card reader to USB-C. Yes, I have a lot of USB-C stuff. This is one from SanDisk. I highly recommend this one. And then we just have a couple little dongles. I have a USB-C to USB-A dongle, a USB-C to micro USB dongle, and last but not least, this is a little USB-C thumb drive, and it's super handy to have. 64 gigabytes, Kingston. Check this one out. Now currently that's the everyday carry that I have on me every single day. I don't always use this bag, but this is my personal favorite bag right now to be using when I do have to carry stuff. And inside, I showed you some of the pouches, but it also has other little zipper compartments. It's just a very nicely built bag, very well organized, and very great quality. So if you're wanting to check out this bag and you want to pick one up for yourself, again, I have the link at the very top of the description below. You can get a discount right now, and hopefully you can still get yours pretty early. So jump on that. This has been a What's in My Tech Bag video, everyday carry edition. This is what I currently rotate through. This is the current bag that I love to use. Definitely drop a like below if you enjoyed this video. Comment below what your favorite everyday carry item that I had on my bag was, and tell me what you must have every single day on your person. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jerry Land with NOBA Tech, and to the next one and beyond.